Welcome back to HDR, Honest Gardening Reviews with Will. This is my puppy Penny, such a good girl. So for simplicity of this one, I'm going to call it a potato sack. It is a little bit slightly different named, but this is how it comes, of course, in a little package. And it comes in looking like this. It is fairly large, so size-wise it's good. As you can see, it has a little Velcro here. But if you look really close, right here, it's not very well sewn on, so that part's going to come off rather quick. So this one here for shipping, I was very disappointed. It took forever to get here, and the quality, well, we'll get to that. Packaging itself, hard to find anything wrong with it. It arrived intact. While looking at this online, I thought it was a great concept. After researching a little bit further, it's not. It's only good concept. It's going to fall apart. I mean, the sewing job's really cheap on it, even though the product is too. There's going to be dirt that builds up on the Velcro on it. At the same time, there's also going to be other issues. Well, just to give you an example, if you're picking potato out, you open the bag. You're picking up a potato, what do you think is going to happen? There's going to be soil everywhere, it's going to spill everywhere, your Velcro is going to be covered in dirt. So long term, it's not very good. Now if you had like 50 plus of them, it'd probably be okay because you could open it up, pull out one potato or so without too much soil falling out, but again, that's going to be a big issue with me. And of course, you're going to have to pack the soil back into it, and that's going to create I mean, you'll pick up some of it, but you're wasting money more so on soil than you are on the bags. So I would just wait for, again, great concept, but not that much practicality out of it. So for the potato bag, it was $13.35 per bag, which isn't horrible, but honestly, I'd rather go for like an AirPod or something like that. Yes, you can't take out the potatoes with it, with them as frequently. You pretty much have to kill the plant at that point. With these, again, it all depends on what you're looking for. If it's just for one plant that you want to have keep going, you could do it. It's going to be a pain in the rear, though. That one I'll leave up to you for this decision, but for me, it's no good. Personally, what I'll be using it for is just a general bag. I won't be using it for potatoes. There are some drain holes in it, which I mean isn't too bad, but it's tarp is what it is, so there won't be enough airflow throughout it. So again, that's not good. I don't have any seeding potatoes this time of year in my area, so unfortunately that was going to be. I couldn't test this time. I may hold on to it and try it out in the spring there, but I'll keep you posted on that.